Hi, my name's Nicole Matchett and I'm the owner of Taurean EV Charging Solutions Inc. We're here at Naylor's Kitchen and Bath and I'd like to show you the 3 EVDuty pedestals that we just installed. Come see.
This video is brought to you by Plug and Drive.
Here we have the EVDuty Duo pedestal. It comes with 2 separate chargers so you can charge up 2 vehicles at the same time. We installed these a couple weeks back with the help of CNC Electric. Their team of electricians was absolutely fantastic to work with. They worked super hard and were very precise with all of their work. We also worked with a company called Mamba Stripes Corporation. As you can see right here, they did the line painting for us. And they also made this custom stencil so that we could really advertise what these parking spots are now only used for. With the help of the Essex Power ChargeUp rebate program, Naylor's was able to install all 3 of these pedestals at their location on Jefferson Boulevard. 3260 Jefferson Boulevard in East Van. So each of these EVDuty Duo pedestals comes with 2 level 2 chargers that supply up to 30 amps. When 2 vehicles are hooked up, so when you have one vehicle hooked up with one charger and another vehicle with the other, it actually enables a load sharing device. Located right off of e-niro, so it's easy to get to. And if you're ever in the market to maybe renovate your kitchen or bath, or maybe even build a house, come check out Naylor's. You can charge up your vehicle while you shop around, maybe book an appointment with a designer. And if you need any installation services or just in the market to learn a little bit more about electric vehicles or electric vehicle supply equipment, like the chargers here or some for your home, please give us a call. Thanks.